Gamer, and I come to you with a distinctly non-gaming topic of this green liquid here. This is my imitation Sprite. It's pretty bad, and yeah, I'm fully aware real Sprite isn't green, it's clear, but you can't really tell from here, but there are some bubbles on the top, not really coming up the sides. The carbonation is pretty minimal. Anyway, how did I carbonate this at home? It wasn't with a soda stream or anything. I put yeast and honey and water, and then I added simple syrup, the lemon-lime, more water, and a bit, actually no, I think that's all I added. Oh, and the green food coloring, that's it, to make this abomination. It's actually pretty good, but let me taste it. So the taste is best described as, well, it tastes kind of like watered down Sprite with honey added and then a little hint of yeast, which I guess is to be expected. It's what I use to add the bubbles. But yeah, thanks for watching this weird video. Goodbye.